We're preparing to retire in 2027, and honestly, this stage feels very different when we're just talking about retirement.
Kasi we're close enough, the decisions matter now, pero still far enough na we can still adjust, if something doesn't feel right.
So in this video, we can share with you how we're preparing for our 2027 retirement.
Financially, lifestyle-wise, at saka emotionally. Not as experts, pero just regular couples who are getting ready for that big transition. And at the end, we'll be sharing with you something that meron kami project ni Haven na ginagawa namin for 1 month.
So when people think about retirement, they think about the word money.
Pero para sa amin, ang preparation is actually, trying to reduce stress It's about, removing yung mga uncertainties, mga simplifying things, and making sure na we'll be okay when we go into retirement, diba?
So at this point, we're not trying to maximize everything, but to keep everything stabilized.
So firstly, let's talk about usually lahat ng tao ito yung ginagawa, ito yung financial preparation. Kasi ito yung parang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng tao, diba?
Yeah.
So kami ni Haven, one big thing that we are really focusing on is yung tax strategy. Ito yung pumapasok yung tinatawag natin na RMD, yung Required Minimum Distribution. Alam nyo, this is something that not a lot of people talk about pero talagang napaka-importante ito Kasi baka may at the end, ang laki-laki ng babayaran mo na tax, diba? Yung lahat ng pinag-ipunan mo, mapupunta lang kay Uncle Sam, diba?
Yeah.
So what we're doing is we're looking at yung RMD and how it will affect our taxes. And ano pwede namin gawin now to manage it better. We're not going to talk about that like in detail. Yeah. Actually, I did a video of that one. Ako lang mag-isa nun previously, and I'm gonna put it here. So if you wanna go deeper into it, you can watch the video.
So next is avoiding big new obligations.
So right now, we're very intentional on our mga spending. Ang malaki lang na dagdag sa aming obligation this time is yung
Kotse.
Yung kotse na binili namin. Kasi nga, kumakarag na yung van namin.
Kumbaga parang late pregnancy, may pahabol.
Pero as much as possible, yun nga na wag na tayong magkaroon ng mga malalaking obligation yung financially, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi pagdating mo na retirement, limited na yung income mo, di ba? So you have to live within what you have. Pero may plano na kami ni Haven. Yung kotse na yon,
we plan to pay it off within the first 2 years of our retirement.
Para
yun yung target natin. So after that, wala na, okay na.
Kasi ang hirap din yung may feeling na every month meron kang monthly commitment, diba?
Yeah.
Ikaw alam ko, ayaw na ayaw mo ng merong monthly
Who wants it?
I know. Yeah.
So third naman is reviewing our fixed costs.
Ito yung mga insurance, yung mga subscriptions, mga phone plans, yung mga streaming services na kung hindi mo naman kailangan, di ba?
You can cut down on it.
You can cut it down.
Yeah.
Example na lang katulad yung mga phone plans. Ito hindi ko talaga alam before Meron palang mga senior discounts. Yung mga phone plans. Big amount din. Ang laki ng masisave mo. So what we're doing now, or maybe you could also do it, you can call them at saka tanungin yung parate na, meron ba kayong senior discount? I mean, it doesn't hurt to ask, diba? Katulad sa insurance din, tumitingin din kami kung saan pwedeng makakuha ng mababang insurance. Kasi ngayon ang mahal-mahal, diba? Grabe! Ay, isa pa pala, kung tumawag kayo sa yung mga services nyo, phone or whatever, streaming services, kung wala silang senior discount, sometimes yung mga reps, they give you retention discount. Ito yung lang, they're gonna try to keep your business. And alam ko, totoo yan kasi my sister, she did that one. And talagang binabaan pa yung kanyang monthly payment.
Yeah. Yun maganda.
Talaga, you just have to be, in short, resourceful. Sayang din, di ba? Yung extra money na ma-discount mo.
Pero may divert sa iba.
So that's something that can go into your pocket. No? Pang additional budget for something else. Pang happy-happy. Next naman is yung lifestyle preparation. Napag-usapan na namin ni Haven yan eh. Kung anong klaseng lifestyle yung gusto namin sa retirement.
Yeah, we say it's more experiences, but not upgrades. We planned out places or countries that we want to visit. Spend more time there, immerse into their culture, and stay longer, like let's say a month, ganun, diba?
Minsan nga nag-uusap kami, sasabi, okay, Haven, pag nag-retire na tayo, anong unang country pupuntahan natin? Anong sagot mo?
Japan.
Gusto niya talaga Japan.
One month, at least 1 month. Oh.
Kasi mahilig ka rin kami sa Japanese food.
Ayun, sa pa yun.
Yeah. Tsaka kasi si Haven lumaki doon for 10 years.
Yeah.
So, talagang love na love niya yung Japan.
Oo. So in short, slower travels and more experience, like deeper experience.
Kasi ngayon puro di ba nagmamadali, rushing.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang kasi
kulang na kulang.
Sinisiksik mo lahat yung gusto mong puntahan in a period of time.
Oo, syempre kasi kailangan mo bumalik sa work.
Plus aside from that also, we're preparing also yung wellness namin, diba? Yung the food that we eat, tapos yung mga exercises.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, kung gusto namin mag-travel, kailangan fit din, diba?
Yeah.
And also yung exercise na ginagawa namin ni Haven ngayon, anong ginagawa natin? Ang tawag na yung Tai Chi. Diba? Every day. Stretching, diba? Yung simpleng gano'n, mga 10 minutes lang every day, it makes a difference.
Yeah, it does.
Pagbangon ko, ginagawa ko. Si Haven, he does it sa work.
Sa work. Twice pa nga in a day.
Oo. So, talagang it makes you feel like energized.
Yeah, stretched out lahat.
Yung mga buto-buto.
Totoo yun.
Parang, remember nung nag-Spain kami,
Oh my gosh.
Siyempre, ang daming lakad. Pagod na pagod.
Yeah. Yung right side ng leg ko, masakit na eh.
Oo.
Na talagang, I'm willing to, but hindi talaga eh.
Hindi kaya.
So we had to rest. Rest for a while and then move again. And that slows things down. Especially pag may mga kasama ka, hassle eh.
Yeah. So yung mga food, katulad ng mga food na kinakain namin ni Haven, ano ba yung mahilig ka? Gusto niya yung mga ampalaya,
mga fermented foods, yung mga kimchi, yung ampalayang ensalada, yung mga mustard greens na pickles.
Nagluto pala ako ng ampalaya today kasi yun ang baon niya. So, tsaka good for diabetics. And also part ng lifestyle planning natin is yung food trips. Yon. Favorite namin ni Haven yan. So, nag-usap na kami, sabi namin, pag weekends, kakain tayo sa labas parate. Kasi during the week, luto sa bahay, di ba? Pero pag weekend, kain tayo sa labas.
Para wala nang luto, nakakatamad rin ba? Pag ikaw nagluto.
Yun yung joys na we're looking forward to. Kasi retirement isn't cutting joy. Kailangan sineschedule mo intentionally. No? So next naman is yung mental and emotional preparation.
Kasi for a long time, whenever we spend for ourselves, parang guilt trip eh. Diba? Parang sinasabi natin, ay sayang, you know what?
Puro sayang.
Puro sayang. So when are we gonna spend yung parang wala ng guilt? No?
Naalala ko na yung girlfriend ni Brian, si Kat, sabi niya sa akin, Tita, you know what? You always say the word sayang.
Yun. Oo nga, no? Sinabi niya yun. Nakakatawa.
So, sayang. Yun ang parating automatic na lumalabas sa bibig natin pag gagastos. Sayang.
So, this is what we're talking about. Diba? Pag nag-retire,
na talagang enjoy.
Gastos mo para talagang mag-enjoy. Wala nang guilt trip. You earned it. You deserved it. Spend it.
Ini-ready mo na yung mentality mo na enjoyment na. Another one that we're preparing ourselves, lalo na ako, is yung letting go of work urgency. It's not that I don't care about my work anymore, pero prepare mo na yung self mo na hindi ka na kailangan.
Okay. Mukhang pa-exit ka na.
But
that's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing.
I know, and it's okay for me to be in the background na lang. Diba? Okay na eh. Tsaka I don't have to prove anything anymore. Ikaw, you don't have to prove anything anymore. tapos na tayo eh. Di ba? So
Pa-fade na kami.
Pa-fade na. So yung mindset mo is
Exit.
preparing yourself na exiting ka na.
Exiting ka na, So this is something we don't talk about. It would be like identity beyond work.
Kasi for the longest time, yung schedules natin, our values, our confidence, are coming from what we did sa work.
Yes.
Di ba? And pag dumating ka sa retirement, it makes you think na ano na lang ako when I'm not needed anymore.
Yeah, yun nga.
Di ba? Parang wala ka na bang worth, di ba?
Parang nakakalungkot rin.
Pero that's not true, di ba? Na hindi dahil hindi ka nagtatrabaho, worthless ka na.
Yeah.
Di ba?
For us, letting go of emergency is not needing to do something immediately or proving yourselves.
And also, it's okay to slow down, di ba?
Yeah, it's okay.
And it's not losing purpose, it's just redefining it.
Right.
So ito naman, yung mga hindi namin ginagawa na Haven. First is we're not chasing aggressive investments. Tapos na yung mga accumulation phase. Ngayon, preservation na ng mga investments ng portfolio namin.
So also, we're not upgrading our lifestyle.
And definitely, we're not comparing ourselves sa mga ibang retirees. So kung merong mga tao na nagre-retire ng maaga, kunyari mga nasa early 50s, good for them,
Yeah.
di ba? Oo. Maingit ka ng konti, pero I mean, that's good for them, di ba?
Kasi depende naman yan sa kanya-kanyang timeline.
Oo, yeah.
Kung talagang-
diba? Iba-ibang situation ng tao.
Kung gusto na mag-retire because of some reason,
O kaya nila, then good for them.
or even some because of health issues,
Yeah.
yun.
Oo.
Okay lang. And also, doing less is part of our plan.
Yeah, bawas-bawas na yung mga stress dyan or mga trabaho, yun. Diba I mentioned earlier sa vlog, sabi ko meron kaming project ni Haven. So itong project namin, for 1 month, titingnan namin kung pasok lahat sa budget yung mga spending namin. Para kunyari tayong retirees, di ba? Tingnan namin, at the end of the month, hindi kami sumobra or hindi kami kulang.
Kumbaga parang soft opening.
Soft opening ng retirement.
Retirement. So, wait for it sa March ito, yung video namin.
So, tingnan natin what works and what doesn't work.
Yeah.
So, kung nagpre-prepare kayo na retirement, in the next few years, share nyo naman below kung ano yung mga pina-focus nyo ngayon.
Yeah. Kasi preparation looks different for everyone.
Oo. So, that's it for today, and we hope you liked our video, and thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you in our next vlog.
Bye. But not as experts, but as let's say, but blah 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 blah.